Hi, I'm Lauren Lamb.
And I'm Chris Fry.
And we're here to talk about why Steidl and Steinberg is the right firm for you. There are a ton of attorneys out there, and it can be very overwhelming when you're trying to choose one. Unfortunately, bankruptcy isn't something that people normally talk about, so you don't easily get a recommendation from friends or family members like you may if you were going through a divorce or you even needed a criminal attorney. So one of the things that Steidl and Steinberg has over many firms in the area is experience. We've been helping people with their debt problems for over 35 years. And no matter what your situation is, we've seen it and we've helped somebody in the same situation.
Another reason that people come to Steidl and Steinberg is because we're just regular people, just like you. Sure, we have some goofy commercials. They're a little bit silly. But that's supposed to make you feel comfortable coming to our law firm. It's supposed to make you feel at ease and feel like you can talk to us like people just like you. We're not a stuffed shirt, real uppity attorney's office. We're relatively laid back. One thing that we do take extremely seriously, however, is helping you with your debt problems and the work that we do. Otherwise, talking to us is easy.
Another misconception that people have about Steidl and Steinberg is that we are a huge firm and that you will get lost in the shuffle, and that's just not true. Most people are really surprised to find out that we only have 6 attorneys and about 10 support staff. So while we have helped a lot of people, you are going to speak to the same people that are going to handle your case from start to finish, and you are not just a number to us.
Like Lauren was saying, there is some conception out there that we are some huge law firm, and part of that is probably because we're on TV and we're on billboards. We are not. And sometimes because people conceive of us as a very big firm, they think that our fees are going to be outrageously expensive, which they are not. Our fees are extremely competitive with other bankruptcy attorneys in the area. One thing to be on the lookout for is attorneys who seem to charge a very, very low legal fee, but then will nickel and dime you for a whole bunch of other costs and fees along the way. We don't do that. The vast majority of our cases are a flat fee. You know exactly how much you're going to pay going in, and that's all you're going to ever pay.
We know that deciding to consider bankruptcy as an option for your financial problems is a very difficult decision. So we do want to make things as easy for you as possible once you make that decision. We have the process pretty well streamlined after as many times as we've done it, so we will be able to walk you through the process, and we also make it convenient for you by having office locations throughout Western Pennsylvania, so you won't have to drive far to meet with us.
So those are just some of the reasons to choose Steidl and Steinberg to help you with your financial problems and potentially through a bankruptcy. We've been helping people in Western Pennsylvania for many, many years, and we filed probably more bankruptcy cases than anybody in Western Pennsylvania over that time. So feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help.